Namaste. In the last class, we have studied multiplication with array grouping. Today, we are going to discuss about word problems based on multiplication. Okay. See the question. Prakash bought 16 cactus plants. Cactus plants means, what is meant by cactus? That plant full of spines. In Malayalam, that is kallichedi. Okay. Cactus plants for his garden. The price of each plant rupees 175. How much money did Prakash spend in all? See, what's the meaning of this question? See the question. Prakash bought 16 cactus plants for his garden. How many plants he bought for his garden? 16 cactus plants. Then the price of each plant. Price of one plant is rupees 175. Then how much money did Prakash spend in all? Totally how much money he spent? One plant is 175. He bought 16 plants. How much money did he spend in all? Okay. How to write the steps? See. First, what is given? Number of cactus plants is given. So, number of cactus plants is equal to 16. Then what is given? The price of each plant. That is price of one plant. The cost of one plant. That is rupees 175. Then, what is the question? What we have to find? That is, how much money did Prakash spend in all? How much money did he spend in all? That is, totally how much money he spent. Okay. The answer of the first question. See, a number of cactus plants is equal to 16. Then, cost of a plant is rupees 175. Then total amount is equal to 175 into 60. Here cost of one plant is given. We have to find 16 plants amount. That is multiplication. Okay. So 175 into 16. 175 is multiplicand, 16 is a multiplier. In multiplier, this first number 6 into, in multiplicand, this first number 5. 6 into 5, 6 5 is a 30, 0, 3 is balance. Then 6 into 7, 6 into 7, 6 7 is a 42, 42 plus this balance 3, 45. 5 is here, 4 is balance. Then 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That is the answer. Then first we multiply this 6 into this multiplicand. Next step is this 1 into this multiplicand. 1 into any number, that is the same answer. So 1 into 175, 175. From the tens place, here the places ones, tens, hundreds. We write the second step from the tens place because we multiply, the multiplier is in tens place. So 1 into 175, 175 is the answer. Here 5. Here 7, here 1. Then addition. Then 0. 0 only there. 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 is here. 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2800 is the answer. Total amount is rupees 2800. That is the. Okay. See the next question. That is, Mansi bought 9 pens. Each pen cost rupees 25. How much money did Mansi spend in buying the pens? What's the meaning of this question? See, Mansi bought 9 pens. How many pens Mansi bought? 9 pens. Then each pen cost rupees 25. Cost of one pen is rupees 25. Then how much money did Mansi spend in buying the pens? How much money, totally, how much money she spent? We find the total. That is, here cost of one penny is given. We have to find the cost of 9 pence. One is given, we have to find 9 pence. That is multiplication. Okay. See, how to write the steps? See the question, what is given? Number of pence is given. That is, number of pence is equal to 9. Then cost of one pen is given. Cost of one pen is equal to rupees 25. Then we have to find the total amount. See the answer of that question. Number of pens is equal to 9. Then cost of a pen is rupees 25. Then total amount is equal to 25 into 9. Because cost of one pen is given, we have to find 9 pence. That is multiplication. Okay. So 25 into 9. How to find? 25 into 9. Here ones place is 5, tens place 2. 9 5s are first 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 5 is here. 4 is balanced. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 4 22. 200 rupees 225. That is the answer. So the next question. A tray of eggs contains 12 eggs. Then how many eggs are there in 8 trays? What's the meaning of this question? A tray of eggs contains 12 eggs. That means how many eggs in a tray? 12 eggs in a tray. Then how many eggs are there in 8 trays? How many eggs are there in 8 such type of trays? Okay, see. How to write the steps? What is given? Number of eggs in a tray, that is given. That is 12. 12. Then next we want to find number of eggs in 8 trays. 8 trays we have to find. Number of eggs in 8 trays is equal to 12 into 8. Here also one tray is given. We have to find 8 trays. That is multiplication. Okay. 12 into 8. What is the answer? Here 12 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 6 is here. 1 is balance. 8 plus 1 9. 96. 96 eggs. How many eggs in 8 trays? That is 96 eggs. Okay. So the next question. There are 28 rows in an auditorium. Each row has 18 seats. Then how many people can be seated in the auditorium at a time? What's the meaning of this question? See, there are 28 rows in an auditorium. In an auditorium, how many rows? How many rows of seats? 28 rows of seats. Then each row has how many seats? Each row has how many seats? 18 seats. How many people can be seated in the auditorium at a time? Each row has 18 seats. Then total 28 rows are there. So, how many seats are in the auditorium? Each row is given. We have to find 28 rows. That is multiplication. Okay. Then, how to write the steps? First, what is given? A number of rows is given, isn't it? 28 is given. Number of rows equal to 28. Then, number of seats in each row. One row. Number of seats in a row. Number of seats in a row is 18. Then, total seats is equal to 18 into this 28. Then you see the answer. Number of rows in the auditorium is equal to 28. The number of seats in each row is equal to 18. Total number of seats in the auditorium is equal to 28 into 18. Okay, 28 into 18. What is the answer? 28 into 18. How to multiply? See, 8 8s are 64. 4 is here. 6 is balance. Then 8 2s are 16. 16 plus this balance 6, 22. Then 1 into this 28. 1 into any number is answer same number itself. So 1 into 28 is 28. So 4, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 balance. Then 5. 504 is the answer. So 504 seats. Okay, see the next question. That is, Atvik packs 8 sweets in one box. How many sweets does he need to pack 15 full boxes? What's the meaning of this question? See, Atvik packs 8 sweets in one box. How many sweets are in one box? 8 sweets. Then, how many sweets does he need to pack 15 full boxes? How many sweets are in 15 full boxes? Okay, here one pack is given. One box is given. We have to find 15 full boxes. That is multiplication. How to write the steps? See, what is given? Number of sweets in a box is given. That is 8. Then, number of sweets in 15 boxes. That we have to find. 15 into 8. 15 into 8, what is the answer? 15 into 8. 8 5s are 40. 0, 4 is balance. 8 1s are 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 120 is the answer. 120 is the answer. 120 sweets. So the next question. If A is 7 into 800 and B is 8 into 300, then find the value of A plus B, A minus B. So, A is given and B is given. We have to find A plus B and A minus B. Okay. First, what is A? What is A? I told you, in a number, ending numbers are 0, how to multiply? Yes, 7 into 8. 7 into 8, 56. That is 7 into 8, 56. Then put this 0, this answer. That is answer. Here, that is the answer of A. Then B. Here also 8 into 3, 24. Then 2 zeros here. Okay. Then here, first question is A plus B. A plus B is equal to, A plus B is equal to, what is A? 5600 plus 2400 is equal to 5600 plus 2400. What is the answer? 0, 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 is balance. Then 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8000 is the answer. 8000 is the answer. Okay. Then next question, how to find A minus B? A is 5600 minus 2400 is equal to 5600 minus 2400, that is 0 minus 0 0 0, 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 2 3, 3200 is the answer. Today we studied word problems based on multiplication. Okay, now the time to wind up. Namaste.